Ebusuya ene His Excellency John Domani Mahama wa ndo se Shatawale die ye pobi asisi otonyo dia wayini ba akopɛ esanze Shatawale amajondo His Excellency de na pempem wasa no obon nsɛm ani gye pa de His Excellency ani gye ne pa sanse artist bi ni wa shaking sada na obi just say e see when he said the president's card jumedi na was say em financial so it's a name akonya bass yem final ni na obi asate Kotoko ani akra so folk eni kuchia e de fan na kwahye so na first half na mo ne de na je say akra so folk ahye Asante Kotoko kaba kwa wintumi enye honhwe His Excellency mu nyina esete wa omohwe dwumadi no second half no na eja obi Asante Kotoko Otumfuor Kotoko so na na mabusuanko no the 2 minutes a year adwuma won so a omutimi share 2 within 1 minute ma akaso folk timi share ba kwa adwumadi no iko na wie na Asante Kotoko na afa kuruwa no e de ebefie na Asante regional minister ani aka regional minister me ka Asante regional minister na Dr.Frank Amoakohene na afa so aka regional minister Madam Linda obine wa okuru omo bet omo to chachapa omo chacha omo bet ni na chese kuma Asante Kotoko be win Dr.Frank Amoakohene na kae na afa so le na so oboa meeting be win isanse nso ahare ye mo bayi home ntinya dia me mo kwa mambaji akọ na unim de esere wo ho ne se Madam Linda okofa na MNDC won nya edo omukọ ho se de be omunyina nkoso na sene na omukọ kuruwa na emfa mbada fie nenso nka we nipa wo anke be kasa fufu ya ntoata entimi amba musa na wie na kese chacha ne bet na omukọ Dr.Frank Amoakohene wedi no sanse enne na ya kwesida ye wote koso ayimfie me kan koso ayimfie de so Otumfuor ayimfie ni dia kwesida ye no nti tumikasi sole ye enti Frank Amoakohene no wo kire se tumikasi sole ye na wote koso tumi edi ekire no enne wodi no mofra na chia wotumi di omakowi se adwumadi wi se na eba no kan za wo kan see di Asante Kotoko ono wata omochi 100% baby omboko bia because mo she adwumadi wi asakwa na wo nkan nenso obai wo di enti video no embrace ya.
Ladies and gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, Sue. Odani no type Sue or comment section na say. Odani no type Sue. Chale. Thank you all. Porcupine Warriors. Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Chale. Where you better dance? You better dance. President Trump, I'm saying we have to go through a lot, having to, as it were, you did to say whatever we will do to make sure some boys never share anymore. We will do it, and that's never consider Charlie and sticks. Let's say sticks no high. Nah, this weekend it was a very tough one for me because I had to come to Accra for the launch of the 24-hour economic policy. Then from there, I had to fly all the way to Sunyani for the Unity Festival. Then from Unity Festival, I had to come to Tepa for National Sanitation Day. Now I had to go back to Sunyani for Unity Festival. Now I had to come back to Kumasi and come and fly to Accra to come and support the team. I'm very Drew, Me, I'm in your Linda. Oh, Jesus. Linda packing the MMDCs, we say, no more dinner chi. And I support the sea. I said, I'll pass woman, I'm okay. There's also a J1 stand. And they support the Seguro. Like that. The Clash of the Titans. Yes, yeah, you knew. Yeah. El Clasico. Yeah, El Clasico. Charlie, before the metro, Mama me red hat. Mama me red hat. They say, my any bragging right now. My any, no fine, no Kotoko, no fabulous, no red. Red heart. I like that. Red heart. Just give me red heart. Great. Hey, you remember oh minister, ready a bit of usu. You minister, oh, sorry in advance. I'm saying me. Sorry in advance. Who come up I bring no great number here. Now come back also with Mokuma up even 100. Out of Apim no. Apim ni namangi I was say, oh now sorry, oh minister, oh this one dear, we are so sorry that you are coming to Accra and Otumfuor be say and all and I'm say, hey, Kotoko, Asante Kotoko say yeah, what's it yeah. Damn. So we better dancing. No co red, no co Kotoko, no co fabulous, no co fabu, no co 2-1, no co yawini, no co yatiwomuti, no co neck pressing. Them dead. It is a groundswork. It is a groundswork. And terms of radio, you have a damas saying a couple in Shamo. War a chitai palm of the tire. Nanka Binu Chase and Casavan, Comu throw me. You share one arsenal. Who's the president to buy no? Or buy a you couldn't have sold in the sono. That's I didn't have to so crack. One of them is a bomb and bonus for this. And the president buy no who get a car in minister. I will be like, where is Asante no minister? And now get a car, Mr. President, he's here. I'm Mr. President. And I was, how's your temperature like? And I'm so it's not up to 38.3 degrees Celsius. Goodness. What's Mr. President? What's Mr. Minister? What's Mr. President? I say, you do trust your boys, I'm so yeah, we'll make you proud. We will make you proud, Mr. President. It's me too saying, no, national half to you. National half about me. As minister. Bibia okay, and I'm saying, Bibia okay. Now, Rishimu. I feel to wa keep a watch ball nose, what you do, not in the fun and sound. Then go for your share. Yeah, Miss Mawu. It second half, no, and no, football, you wouldn't want to tactics. Tell him, Mamma Castle, my any bragging rights. No, I don't think I'm going to be able to help you. You can think of Johnny. Oh my goodness. Second half, no. Now, formation, no. Once the ball, they go out this side. Now, Omani will honor, no defense, no honor. No one should have bought the room. Oh, Charlie, okay, the boys, they you know, sir. O crack, or my dream corner, no one in my dream other side, or now, oh, no, go fine, another out of form. I'm the minister at him. That was naivety, coach, I could see, yeah, star coach, black star, because you're Pierre coach. I'm the coach, I didn't, of course, was, oh, Dr. Kokuma Trojan. Now, somebody for the treatment channel, but one night, Kotoko, but I said, oh, I was so many women. You're going to lose ya. You don't know who. There's Munya Kutuu. Because, you're free, Kumasi Bano. You're about you know. You're dumb. No one will feel it. I've been doing your more supporters of our former, but the Canada City of the Oh my goodness. So, guys. Where you have a damasi. Nakupo Ishamo. Because I'm supporting Kotoko. I'm supporting Ghana football. I love the game tonight for one reason. Say at least the love for local football. No, as a most appreciable, and that is the most important thing for us. I think that with this kind of support, anyway, we can bring back the love, and we'll be able to make local football very much attractive. And I'm very glad to say, Asante Kotoko, I standing up to the occasion. No, my Adam, no, my boy, Ama, couldn't dare to say, Abba. And then, before I follow back a politics once, I'm maybe roughly so. And then, yeah, Noko Kotoko, Noko fabulous. It's you, me pick there's some few people. Me pick Naja, Waka, so her born Ibia, who observation. Football and Kwan was some never casa. Just the football. And Lord Ike. Lord Ike meet you. Lord Ike meet you. Now I don't know what also. Lord Ike custom meet you. Oh, Kuma said Hey,
busy musician.
I don't me Kotoko win am ani age no ano nkomo na mbedi o.
Ona mo so first do mi re do.
O kwado shabo.
Tini kwaye do. Tido.
Oh my goodness. Lord, thank you very much for joining. Let's keep supporting our local teams. One I'm with Coach Kofi. Kotito. I'm into coach so perspective. So the who you know. So the who. Said the who match no. I'm where as a football team man be MP football. And every man on one and they may follow. I'm here. Nana yao.
Honorable, good evening.
Good evening, Coach.
Honorable, good evening.
Coach, meet you.
Honorable Bacho, Bibi Amoakohene.
Nyankopon do me where you sir.
Moko, na be poso hene e won faati ni o ba be poso na be bo mo famla ne no.
Pia.
Ana me ne me ka se me ne dada Alex, e gina na bo mo titi vo mampon.
Me ka opa.
Aye jubilate ye ni aji.
Pa.
Ya me na do sama. O ye ni aji.
Pa.
Papa wa ya de.
Yeah, that's it.
TV that moves a war support thing in a say, when you're penwaya, the equated in the SLF Rado Hama. I think I could for the mouth, any agreement. Also, there was so my gun and the ones are afraid, say to the man, Silverman, for my Silverman Iron, so they got president to Dachi.
You're putting your empire for Mamma.
Accommodate it, Kotoko, and Jabba fee.
But that's it.
No, I was say, upon it in a player.
Oh,
to say, upon it, Imanola, my house of folk.
Oh.
Obasa kept Dr. Frank Tapotimono.
No, in 2023.
But I'm a head coach was a kept.
Okay. I see.
Dr. Frank Tapotimo. Jimmy, I'm a 2 on the man. What am I think I carry?
Okay.
I'm a friend upon Saomi and saying, one season.
Oh, I see.
Kotoko, every never be able to have a banso self when it's
But I didn't be coach. Let's keep in touch, okay? Great. Son of Dr. Amoakohene.
Daddy, good evening.
Good evening, Miami Bao. It is a
Boko, Daddy, Marika watch it.
oh, when they want Yame, Kotoko soon have been into the Need Yonkwa.
Kotoko, I'm winning life, Charlie. Gratitude me now, number one. Keep an eye in.
Oh, why are the pa? Why are the and why are the
joy everywhere.
Oh, my area of
the page in Kakra, my boy, Jumaka.
Martin Meche.
Okay. Why feel could follow me? Daddy won't follow me, Daddy.
Me follow, Dodo. Me, I remember, me follow watching. Great. Michael. Mike, what you mean, gang?
Good evening.
Good evening. Any Kotoko come on team.
And the Kotoko in Japan, a follow from training or come Koshomo crying now.
Oh, this is now say.
And I'm a shepherd. Follow every day. Follow.
Fantastic.
Young boys named Grandma maybe much.
Yeah, that was it. Nkoswani supporting local football. I think say if we want to put ourselves together and make it lovely and lively, we should be able to do that. And see, Madam Osmas say, my Adamna Motayachi in that regard, okay? Okay, great. That was Michael Adade. Macefield.
Good evening.
Hey, Macefield, now we football.
I am Philippa, Juliet friend.
Okay. Okay.
I like your football. I'm a football fan. Morgan, I'm your football fan.
Oh,
I
nice.
was watching your goal on GH1. Like, I'm very happy. When I saw you, I was like, hey, doctor. Like, my idea, everything is nice. It's very, very nice.
Thank you. Macefield, let's keep in touch, okay? Great. Mohammed Kabore.
You don't know who himself. That's it, Baba.
Oh, Charlie, let you come back to my boss.
And then we said, I guess when you are crazy, and you guys have
yeah, get back to my boss.
11. Now, almost say, come up, remember, not just say, one day, a pinboard, to a logo, and I'm saying, see, they do not know, say, no, it's a spiritual freeze. It signifies a major comeback. Now, and in terms of numbers, I did be see. Abraham Mayo, okay, say go be $200. I did say, and I won't make us go be $1,000. 2-1.
2-1. Simple.
The most 2-1. Baby, this one is how you're using your outfit, you're using your position to bring back the love.
Thank you.
Driving the passion.
Thank you.
And then we felt what we've not felt for a long time.
For years.
Super class. And heard him say, it will not end today. End to us. The more we support our local teams, the more we build a better football for Ghana. Kudos, boss,
thank you, Mohammed Kaboy. Kaboy will be the last person I'm going to pick because I need your horse. I'm going to go there. Many boys no so by because I need there. I need your papa. Greater Carolina Minister say next match no. I know person will be Asante Regional Minister. No be Greater Carolina Minister. No swap teams. And I'm saying me how. But the point is that my blood is red. I'm going to put someone na Kotoko so damasi. Yeda Otumfuor ase. Say ne ya consider na nanum gun san so no gun san papa. E de ma Kotoko. Yeda team no chaplain so ase. Pai pa mo so bo yede bo aye. Yeda mu nyina mo so ase. What type pa mo de tie. Na nesa anka moa mu nua keto anka na dream come now because come ko media iso a kadani osunku a eni areho come back chima paso pa na nyankopon a ompa anim guase nti enei Kotoko 2 has 1 adamu nyamase ba mu ma bye.